Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best room divider screens that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Coaster Home Furnishings Privacy Screen Oriental Shoji 4-Room Divider. Partition off a portion of your room with this Coaster Home Room Divider. It features 4 panels that are tall enough and are fixed with hinges that make it easy to fold this room divider for storage. It will create a squared space that you can use for personal privacy issues. The overall dimension of this room divider is 69.5 inches W by 0.75 inches D by 70.2 inches H. It features a remarkable design that can be combined into numerous interior arrangements. The frame is over white fabric that creates a nice contrast in color and texture. It also does not require any assembly. Moving on at number 4, we have the Legacy Decor Plum Blossom 4-Panel Screen Room Divider. With Legacy Decor Room Divider you will have your house experience traditional Asian style all the time, giving it a beautiful look. It is constructed with from translucent paper and wooden frames, and on top of that, it has a foldable design to make it easy storage when not in use. It will enable the light to get into the house while providing personal privacy. Whenever you want to separate your home or office, these room divider screens are versatile and can be used in any place. Additionally, it is made to complement any furniture in your home. It also has a double action hinge that will make it simple to fold. It does not require any assembly. At number 3, we have the RHF 6 feet tall extra 6-panel wide diamond room divider. Let your home be in style and look magnificent with this room divider. It comprises 6-panel that is extra large and measures 6 feet tall by 19.5 wide. On top of that, it will decorate your room as well as providing you a space for privacy. It has a natural design with an attractive bentwood arch top. The room divider can be simply being folded if not in use for storage. Consequently, it has great framing from top to bottom. Take your home to the next level with this inviting and memorable panel screen. At number 2, we have the Giantex Room Divider 4-Panel Screen Steel Frame, White. Do you want to create a private space in your office, home or any other place? The Giantex Room Divider will do that for you because it is constructed of high-quality polyester fabrics and iron tubes that makes it more strong and durable. Nevertheless, it features a low-profile black color that will match perfectly with any furniture in the room. In addition to that, it is made to decorate your room as well as providing private space in your house, hence it is multifunctional. Do not hesitate and wait, purchase one and you will love it. And finally at number 1, we have the Roundhill RDO43WH 4-Panel Bamboo Print Room Screen, White. The Roundhill RDO43WH is a strong and beautiful room divider that is made of strong fiber that is reinforced with white pulp rice paper, allowing light to pass through at the same time providing privacy. It also features a black bamboo print that will add elegance to your room and measures 18 inches W x 4 panels by 71 inches H. It is both cheap and lightweight and can be transferred easily from one room to the other. On top of that, it can be folded for easy storage. It is created with 4 panels which can effortlessly be folded in a 2-way hinge to permit flexibility stand position. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.